Everyone lies, but most people aren't as good at it as they think. Today, we're breaking down the psychological triggers and vocal cues that will help you spot a liar in seconds. First, watch out for the stall. When you ask a direct question, a liar often repeats it back to you. They might say, "Did I go there?" This isn't for clarity. It's a tactic to buy their brain a few extra seconds to fabricate a story. Pay attention to the voice. Stress causes the vocal cords to tighten, which often makes their pitch go higher. Also, lies out the mouth, making it physically harder for them to speak smoothly. Honest people keep it brief. Liars, however, hate silence. They try to fill the gap with TMI, too much irrelevant detail. They hope that by giving you a mountain of facts, you'll be too overwhelmed to notice the missing truth. A truthful person will usually go on the offensive to explain themselves, but a liar goes on the defensive. If they start getting angry or asking, "Are you accusing me?" it's a major red flag. Truth stands on its own. A lie needs a shield. Mastering these cues can change the way you see every conversation. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join MindSecrets World for more psychological insights. See you in the next one.